Thomas is like 2 seconds late right now. I wonder where he is.
Sorry I'm late, Gordon. I was just hanging about there. Huh. You don't really know the railway that much. Trying to be late for like the millionth time over the years, eh? Don't you remember the time Charles took over this place and we almost died? Yeah, but if there was another Charles out there, that would be even worse. Oh, trust me, it's all for the better. I don't care if there'll be more monsters here. And I wonder how Eugene's getting on. Huh. I don't care about Eugene very much. All I care about is the Blood-In Express. You know what I mean. He may be sorting this out. And what about Paul? I feel like he's getting on great. And so many others. Well, I don't mind. I want to see them at any time I like.
Huh, go on then.
You know anything about this? Last night, one of the power plants in the middle of England exploded and released a super powerful being. They call him Edward. He's a giant robot train built by some people from the archipelago. And he's more powerful than Charles. Oh, you'll be fine, guys. Trust me. I hope you won't do any more damage as Charles did last time. But I'm sure we're gonna be absolutely fine. Finally, it's all gone. We can get out of here now. Phew, we're safe from Edward the man-eating train. Yeah, let's hope he doesn't break into our sheds. I agree, too. Huh. I would be surprised if he turned it over my express. I thought Edward is one of our friends. No, Emily, what I meant, there's a giant robot train here. It's called Edward the man-eating train. I hope he doesn't break into our sheds. Come on in!
What? Oh, come on!
Express coming through! Look out! Sorry to disturb you. Do you know where Eugene's friends are? I have no idea where it is, but I don't know who Thomas is up to either. Unless he's hanging about with them. Oh, spider trains! Help me! I'm getting out of here. I lost all my clothes just because of that robot. I must go back to the shelves. I must go to these battles fighting again before they kill me. Keep going! I wasn't dead! I don't know what tomorrow is going to be like. Find out! Oh, I survived last night. I almost got killed by a bunch of monsters. I nearly died. One of my express coaches got carried away and exploded, but I had to return safely, otherwise I'll be dead. Well, speak for yourself, Rebecca. I'm completely fine. Good luck, you two. Well, maybe you should try and join us someday.